video. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be installing some TRD side skirts on the Lexus Is300. As you can see here, the beauty. It's getting some side skirts and I have them right here. These are TRD style and these are polyurethane, something like that. This is very flexible and durable, 100 times way better than fiberglass. I freaking hate fiberglass, but most of the cool stuff comes in fiberglass. As you can see, my fenders and the bumpers, both fiberglasses. But yeah, I mean, these side skirts are gonna look awesome and they will be durable as well because they are very flexible. And as you can see here, lighting is kind of not that great, but hey, here they are. And I am pretty excited to install these. Right now I'm just gonna install them, have them ready, and then I'm gonna send them out to my buddy Noe. He's gonna go ahead and paint them. I just want to install them first because I don't want to install them painted just to prevent damaging them when they're painted. So I kind of got one on already. It looks pretty good. I got 2 screws on this side and then it runs along over here, and I put 2 screws on this side too, and it's looking pretty good. I am loving it. I just need to get these bad boys painted and they'll be good to go. I just wanted to put one on to see what I needed to do. That way when I show you guys, it will go smooth as butter. But as you can see over here, we're about to put this side on. Also too, I'm gonna try to drill some holes in the bottom of the body to secure that a little more. There's like 4 holes along the bottom. So the first thing I'm gonna pretty much do is just get the side skirt, and I'm gonna put this side first. I like to drill a hole first, then put a screw in. That way it goes in a lot smoother. Alright, so it's kind of hard to record right now because I kind of have to hold everything. But kind of how I did it first is I drilled a hole first, and then I put a screw in to hold that part down. Then I put a jack over there to hold that up for now, just so it'll be kind of good where I want it to be. So now I'm gonna go ahead. So I do have to remove that wheel. I was able to turn the wheel all the way this way to access that side, but over here I'm gonna need to take off the wheel. So I'm gonna go ahead and jack up this side and then take off the wheel. Alright, so I got these 2 screws pretty much in. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the wheel and fix that side more. So that's pretty much how I mocked them up. All I need to do is pretty much drill from the bottom, but I think I'm going to do that once they're painted. So for now I'm going to go ahead and take them back off and take them to my buddy Noe so he can go ahead and paint them. Alright guys, so last clip I took, I believe these were unpainted and I got my buddy to paint them, so now they are painted. I did not show that because well, I took them that same day I mounted them, but then when I brought them back I was such in a rush to put them on because I was gonna have a photo shoot, and yeah, I just didn't have time to record, and I just haven't recorded since actually. So but yeah, look at that, they look really nice. I low-key kind of liked them when they're black because there was just a lot of contrast. I don't know, but they're still cool. So I got this one fully secure now. So this one I put bolts in the bottom. So I kind of did it a getaway. I just drilled some holes in the body and I just put some tappers on there. Not the most efficient way to do it, but definitely a solution. I know there's this company Figs that sells side skirt mounting clips. It comes with 4 and you put them on the body of the car, that way, and it lines up with the holes of the side skirts. But they were like $100 for 8 clips, and I mean for for that, I mean, it's kind of expensive, so I just wanted to do a simple solution. So I mean, I don't know if that's everyone's go-to, but that's what I did. But it definitely helps a lot, because without the, because you can see right here, it's nicely secure. And if you see this one that's not secure from the bottom, it's definitely very wobbly. That's how I had it my first. I mean, this still holds like that too, but not a very good solution. Also too, I did notice with the sun, this thing kind of warped back. So I think I'm gonna, when I take them off sometime, we could put some double-sided tape. That way it could be nice and on there instead of being like a little spaced out. So that's another thing that I'm gonna do as well. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I am digging them. Look at that.